We are the few. We are the chosen. It's as confusing for me as it is probably for you, and nobody knows what's happening here. While I'm completely tired out of my ass of this challenge, these are the first episode people are gonna see. All right, so I'm on my last legs, and that's where the spotlight might come at me. The Train, a French, very French, American, but very French movie about the Nazis taking all the art from France, putting them on a train, and trying to snatch them to Berlin before the war ends. Nice shot, you have actual cinematography, and I think there is such a thing as the French heritage in cinema. Worth watching, must see, maybe not. Today's letter is, and forever will be,